Hello, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Dither Boy Cracked. Super quick, super easy method. If you're not familiar with Dither Boy, this is a standalone, all-in-one software for dithering, animation, still image or video dithering. You can also export vectors, you can use custom color palettes and loads of other effects built into the app that are all designed to work with dithering. It's not a plugin, so it's not hidden behind like an Adobe paywall, or it's not tied into only being used in just one software. You can use Dither Boy whether you are an illustrator who works in Figma and Adobe Illustrator, or you can use Dither Boy if you make music videos and you work in Touch Designer or DaVinci Resolve or After Effects. And you can even use it if you do embroidery or engraving with the vector output as well, because thanks to a small community of people who have purchased this app and given us feedback about what they want to see, we've been updating this now for just over a year with new effects, new export types, new workflows, new dithering algorithms, and it's all included in one purchase. You get every update included in that at no extra cost. So I've got an image loaded in here to Dither Boy, and one of the new quality of life improvements that we just added in the latest update is a search for our dithering algorithms. So rather than having to scroll through now, you can just type in. So if I type in the search crack and click on cracked diffuse, this is the initial effect you'll get, and this is the one you were looking for. So this works best with a higher scale, so I'm going to set the scale to 49, and just so I can exaggerate the effect here a little bit before I turn the effect on, I'm just going to up my brightness and up my contrast a little bit. What you'll see here is there is a slider called cracked, so if you start to drag this slider up, what you'll notice is the diffusion pattern will organize and you will get these lines forming that fork off of each other and into each other just like cracks. So this is a bespoke dithering algorithm that we wrote specifically for Dither Boy to lean into this error that happens where the diffusion will sort of form a pattern that wasn't really there in the original image. You can adjust your settings on your own image, and eventually, like this big one here, you'll see these big cracks start to form in areas that have quite a lot of similar luminosity values, like up here and around here as well. Now, the good news is, because this is a one-time purchase app, the cracked diffuse algorithm works with everything else that you get in these free updates. So you can animate it, you can combine it with other effects, you can shade it in with color, or you could even export it as a vector, or you could save your cracked preset and load it in later on something else. This is just a quick tutorial to show you Dither Boy Cracked. Hopefully you got exactly what you wanted out of this video. I'll leave everything linked for Dither Boy below this video, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.